Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can create a looping video using Capcut apps. So you can tap on your project, select your video that you want to looping, and for example I have a video with this is 6 seconds. You can see for the time 6-second video, and I want to make a looping video for 3 times, which is will be 18 second video. Just click on the clip and then you can select copy again, and you get the 3 clip, the same clip, and then my 6-second video will loop 3 times for a total of 18 seconds. So you can see. Right, so this is the looping video, I think. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Thank you so much for watching.